Latent semantic analysis rests on two ideas. The first is the distributional hypothesis, which states that words with similar meanings appear frequently together. The second idea is Singular Value Decomposition, which will abbreviate to SVD. SVD recreates text documents into different vectors. Each vector expresses a different way of looking at meaning in the text. The vectors can be expressed by the following equation. M is our document term matrix, where our rows are each individual document and our columns are our terms. The values just express whether this term is in this document. U is a document topic matrix, so instead of our terms, our columns are our topics. Sigma is a vector, where the values express how much each latent topic explains variance in the overall data. And VT is our terms document matrix, where our rows are our topics and our columns are our terms. The small t just means this is transposed. SVD is a method of dimensionality reduction. The vectors can be used to identify similar words and documents via clustering and similarity scores. So let's see what this looks like and open up our notebook.